As I enter in the home page, I just find the search tab, which allows me to choose the month which I want to travel. Okay, I want to travel in July. Then I search during, then it just gives me another option of preferred interest where I would like to go for couple of interest which okay, then it goes for search. As the search progresses, it shows the map which is available near to my place. Okay, then I just click on the place which is near to me. Then it zooms in. Then again, there's a new. I click on the place which is near to me. Then I see a couple of the farms, hostels, museum sites, parks, beaches, outdoors, which is near to me. Then I choose the farm which is near to me, and it goes on to the new tab from where the data, and I see the farm which is grown. The fruit which is grown is grapes, which is very high during the month of June, July, and August. Whereas I can see even the weather details and the temperature details, where during the June month the temperature is very low, that is the winter month, whereas after June it progresses to higher temperature. And if I go for accommodation, I can find the accommodation near to the place, that is the farm. Okay, and the price of the accommodation is also mentioned. The average price is for the cabin is above 100, whereas powered and unpowered is below 50. And during the June month, there is the price for the accommodation in Northern Territory per night is somewhere fluctuating between 80 to 100, whereas in other territories it is above 100. And the occupancy rate for accommodation each month is shown, whereas in June it is 0.4 in Western Australia and much higher in Northern Territory and very high in Tasmania. And during the information about farming in Australia, if I click the information, I can see the work rights, payments, and taxes. So I click on work rights law. You can see it shows you can work up to 6 months to fulfill your 88 days work, through which the visa will be extended. All rights related information, where you're working, on holidays, visa can be okay, everything can be found here. And the payments, first it tells you to get a TFN number for yourself to be paid against, and your superannuation to be contributed towards. If you are above 21 years, you should not be paid below minimum wage. And one more is the taxes. Make sure you know that the taxes are when you are on a working holiday visa, and when you work in Australia on TFN, you may be eligible for tax returns. Yeah, and everything is pretty much displayed well. That's it.
Thank you.